I'm Billy, and this is Kai the Cop. We're about cops today. Yay! This is our theme song. Yay! Theme song, theme song.
Yeah, I go first. We are cops today, and this guy broke his butt.
Stop touching me! Yeah, I broke my butt, so I'm gonna be on this episode.
What are we doing?
We got a report that this kid with the creeper Bainey has been running down the streets and causing terror, and we gotta stop him.
Let's go to the car.
You lost your license.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. That's
When?
why you got a bike, idiot.
Fuck that. I want to drive the car. I want to drive the car. I want to drive the car.
Hey, do you even know whose property this is, anyways?
Nope. Do you?
Oh, crap. I got a broken one. How am I supposed to go?
Let's go. Let's go.
And that's what we're going to be doing today. So thank you and see you on the show.
Yeah, the guy left, so I'm going to do it on bar camera. Hi, buttocks person.
I broke my butt.
That's, what the fuck is that? It's the kid!
It's the creeper kid.
Yes! Get to the car! Get to the car! Oh, wait, that's right.
You're forgetting me.
Screw you! Yeah! Yeah! I got this! I got this! Car! Oh. I got this! Now I see some random kid. Probably see some retards. I got this! I got this! I got this! Kitty! 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 Come on, kitty. Kitty! 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 Calm down. You're under arrested. You are arrested. See? Arrested.
Oh, my butt.
Come on. We're taking you to... Oh my god, he's walking!
I think it's bleeding.
That's cool.
Alright, let's go.
You'll take the creeper hat?
Alright, he's under arrest. Let's go. Oh, my foot.
Minecraft sucks. Screw Minecraft. Screw Minecraft. Is everybody watching my birthday too? So the girlfriends in the world, go fuck yourself.